Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this episode I'm going to be showing you how I made this spring twist collar inspired by Lovette's Pics. If you want to know how I achieved this, please keep watching.
To the sea, baby, I never say.
Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Donna. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can also like, comment and share the video. So what I have here is half pack of braiding hair color 1, half pack of braiding hair color 33. Yes, so I just stretch them out so that I don't have any blunt edges. And now I'm wrapping the hair, a portion of the hair, around the straw. Make sure you get a cocktail straw. Those ones are stronger than the normal straw that we see around. And you want to go ahead to secure the straw and the hair so it doesn't unravel. I didn't have a small hairpin, so I made do with what I had. So as you can see, the first one is a little bit untidy because that's my first try. As I continued in making it, it became easier and it became neater. So just try. Look at how I'm turning the straw around my hand so it gives that spiral look. Exactly. And when you're done, don't forget to secure the ends with a pin. You can use a thick rubber band or thread. I ran out of pin, so I used thread, and thread works well. You don't have to tie it, guys. Just roll it around and it stays. Seriously, it stays. Just roll it around the hair and it's going to stay perfectly. Just one strand of wool, just one, very small one. Rotate it, take it round and round in between the hairs and just leave it. Voila, hair is ready. It will not unravel.